Shugeta osia ana Chibaby achenda kunomitisa shamwari yake Butterfly. Hi Chitchat fam, welcome back to another episode with Ash. Guys, today I've come with another hottest tea. As you all know, guys, your girl is always come up with a bang, with something that is trending all around the world. So Shugeta's son actually today turned 1 year, which is the son to Butterfly as well, because Butterfly mboposta lately vanachita mwana yokufanana Shugeta kudai but papa sina clarity. So today Shugeta abva anyatsozvibuditsa pachena kuti aiwa mwana ndewangu. He wrote on his Facebook page, son exclamation mark, you are my magic, you are not just my son, you are my reason for living, the love of my life and the king of my heart. Happy first birthday, I love you, Benton. Ben love dead. Yo guys, comment section nikati yo, what is that? And Vatan, this will be the most commented post in history. For sure. Because we know these people as best friends. We know them as workmates because they work together with National FM, if I'm not mistaken, guys. If I'm wrong, just correct me in the comment section. But guys, before we continue, please smash that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up as a token of appreciation. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that the girl is going to post here, guys. Because I always come up with a banger. Yes, of course, I always come up with a banger. So, anove Akamitisa Butterfly vaposta session number taura and Anna vedwe Anna maipingi. You know, sometimes just feel sad. We blame Anna lately, but I think Anna ngatono apasina. This is what is happening, you know. But as a kwansake kuzvudza to the world. But now so it looks like they've also got back together even after the son. You know, it's so confusing. But then the comment section was saying Anna DJ Ola, congrats my brother. So mswa 22 November 2023 wanga uri busy kusika mwana zvako. Congrats my friend. That was deep. Shikanaye Shugeta aiwa ipapo tatri pambuya dokasi takakamirira kani. Yo, yeah guys, this is what is happening now. And you all know Shugeta and a Butterfly, they always do the broadcast together and all things like that. And mwabvati mu comment section just like that, vamwe vanotora life kungema jokes for real, because yo, just like that there's a baby. So he also posted on Facebook after I posted that pic, I saw all the pictures with the babies. Akati tinashe mugabe pana kana basa rako zvako ibva wagara ikoko. The probability of chakadaro is 100,000%. Yo, which means that he's so sure and he's so confident that the son is his, and it's all obvious because guys, if you look at these pictures, if you look at the videos Butterfly posted lately, you can see that he looks exactly like the father. Yes, there's no way you can say see, because yo vakafanana. Then someone said zvaenda nepi nesumbu, zvaenda nepi nesu amenoti iyo ngachida kuti chi zvikanzi nomwe. That's why Anna akaramba engagement ring paya. It's now making sense. Munhu anenge achitoona kuti ndikudana nemageva, guys. Yeah, it's very true. Then someone says naivedwe ndidedzereiwo wangu titewo. That was Thomas Kijande though. So if you look also lately, you can see even my Jeremiah, I'm sure she knew about this relationship, and now it looks like he's now going back to Anna Chibaby as well. But then people, they're saying, you know what, Shugeta, Anna is your girl. If you mukadzokirana Anna, that will be a good move. But now Anna, we don't know what Anna Judairi. Then Anzi, the reason I followed you guys is because I see you together. That is between Anna and Shugeta. Then someone said, honestly, those are qualities of a wife. Go back, start doing all the hard work requested for the relationship to work. This time the two of you, no social media, guys. We love you. And yeah, it is what it is what it is. My best. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.